everybody, Jon here, inside DCA. Do a tour of all the places you can get to inside DCA. When you come in the park, if that's the first thing you do is shop, then you should probably do that first. If you like candy, you should probably go to the candy store first. Trolley Treats is usually more crowded than Elias Company stores and the 5 and Dime stores. So you should probably do the Trolley Treats because it's a smaller building and there's less capacity they allow in there. So we're going down here. We got Gone Hollywood store. Does not look like it's open at this time. It looks like people are already lining up for award wieners, looks like, but I think you can mobile app too. Besides getting in line, you can mobile app. Here's a shot down Hollywood Land. The red car trolley behind there, some signs. Award wieners, I guess, has corn dogs now. They don't have their signature dogs. They have corn dogs. I think there's an apple pie fritter cake fries also that they're selling. So we'll have to do that another day. Off the page, over here on the right, looks like it's closed. I don't know if they'll open that eventually or not. Getting closer to the trolley area. This is where they got everybody stopped. You only get as far as the sign here, a shot of the trolley. So I don't know if they'll open the Buena Vista trolley. Nice new paint job on the trolley. They got some ornaments on there too. This is pretty cool. This is as far as you can get this way. Let's see if we can go down to Grizzly Peak, see how far we can get to Grizzly Peak. It's been 8 months since I've been in the park, so it feels pretty good to be here. Just walking down the street. Can't go on any rides yet, but at least to be in the park is part of the way back. Here we're going by Carthay. We got a reservation for Carthay for later. It's like it's just eat outside. Smokejumpers Grill, place you can eat. They have a limited menu, I think burgers and fries. Crowd, you can do mobile app and order, then come back later. Soaring's not open, of course. None of the rides are open. And that's it for this end of the park. We got a bunch of tables set up over here where you could eat. And it looks like a bunch of carts you could buy food from. Probably one of the most prettiest waterfalls right here with the Grizzly Waterfall. Got to see over the Guardians over there. For David to come over here and shoot back that way. Well, you can see Guardians from here. Walk down a little bit further. Shante, hi.
Hi.
Your kids, how you guys doing?
Did you get a picture by the sign yet?
No, that's where we're going next.
Okay, good, good. Yeah, he's the one that's been on Radiator Springs Racer so many times. You remember Dylan? Yeah.
Over 12,000.
Yeah. Oh, wow. I can't wait till you can go back on.
I know, it'll be nice to get back on.
I know.
It'll probably still be a while though.
Yeah, I will. But at least we're here, right?
Oh yeah, at least we got almost all the way.
Yeah, yeah.
Good to see ya.
Good to see you.
So yeah, you see more of the Adventure Campus over here. No, you don't have to be a California resident. Anybody can come in. It doesn't cost you anything to come into the park. Anybody can come into the park. There's Adventures Campus and Guardians behind it. It looks like where the Spider-Man ride will be. The sign I have not seen since March 10th. So close. So close to Cars Land. I almost want to break the rope down and run down there. Of course, the ride's not going, so I won't be able to get on the ride anyway. So close. 50 feet from the Cars Land sign. Oh, you didn't know how much I've missed this place. I mean, even though I can't get on the ride, it's nice to at least get this close. So I had to wear the hat today, just in memory of Cars Land. A lot of memories down here. 12,737 times so far. Hopefully they keep it going. Don't know when, but we'll try. So you can see a little bit down at Pixar Pier a little bit. So I don't think they'll be opening any of this because that leads to all the rides unless they figure a way that they could do the Blue Sky Cellar restaurant. I don't think so, probably not. And then you can kind of see Maynard's Junkyard Jamboree overhead a little bit. All the cars are out there for you to look at. When the parks do open, this will definitely be the first place I come back to. Cars Land's my favorite, that's for sure. Everything's all boarded up, so I think that's it for now. We'll check back with you guys later. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody.